Hello, and welcome to another Wellness Wednesday video with Alessia's Academy. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to make a glitter jar. When we feel overwhelmed or stressed, we need to find ways to take a pause in our day to help us settle our minds. A glitter jar is something that we can use to help with that. You'll shake up your glitter jar and then take deep breaths as you watch all of the glitter slowly sink to the bottom. Repeat this as many times as you need until you feel your body and mind relax and reset. To make your own glitter jar, you will need a clean glass jar any size you wish that has a cap on it. Make sure that this is a securely fitting cap. It needs to match the exact size of your jar. You'll also need a little bit of water to fill your jar with, about a quarter of the way full. Glitter to add to your jar, some liquid hand soap in order to add thickness to the glitter. The hand soap will need to fill the jar about 3/4 of the way full. And then finally, you'll need super glue or a glue gun. Step 1. First, make sure your jar is clean and then fill it a quarter of the way with the warm tap water. Step 2. Add the glitter to your jar. You can add as much or as little as you want. This will be dependent on the size of the jar that you've chosen to use. Step 3. Fill the rest of the jar 3/4 of the way with hand soap. This will help add thickness to your glitter jar so that the glitter will fall more slowly. Step 4. Close the lid securely on your jar and give it a gentle shake. This is just a test to see if you like the way that the glitter is falling. At this stage, you should add any additional glitter that you may want to include in your jar. So if you feel like it's not enough, feel free to add a little bit more. Step 5. Now that you have everything you need in your jar, it's time to seal it up. Use either super glue or a glue gun to secure the lid of your glitter jar tightly on. This will help to prevent any leaks as you use your glitter jar. Leave the jar for a few hours to ensure the glue has sealed securely. Make sure that you are either putting the super glue on the inside of the lid for yourself, or you are putting the glue gun around the lid. This is just to make sure that nothing leaks out, because sometimes you want to shake it kind of vigorously. And now you're all done. Now it's time to shake it up and relax while watching the glitter settle. Remember to breathe slowly and deeply to help your mind settle while watching your glitter jar. What color glitter did you end up using? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos that teach you how to learn for life and get through school while taking care of yourself. Until next time, see you soon.